So yeah, whilst I'm presenting, if you have any questions, you can feel free and write it down, or you can type it in the chat. Don't be shy to ask questions, okay? In German, we say Fragen kostenlos. It simply means when you ask questions, you do not pay anything, okay? If you don't ask, you would not know as well. So yeah, good evening once again. All right, so how do you earn? Today, it's going to be a bit interactive, okay? Because I want to hear your views, okay? How do you earn? How do you earn? How do you all earn? You can type it in the chat, feel free. Tell me how you earn. Tell me how you earn. Are you an employee? Are you self-employed? Are you a business owner? Or are you an investor? Tell me, how do you earn? How do you earn money? Okay. Okay, Lincoln says by working. Okay. Is this self-employed or you're an employee? Someone has employed you, you are working for them? Or are you a business owner? Are you an investor? Okay, I see Lamar here say self-employed, meaning he owns a job, okay? All right, good. So Angel Diva says business owner, okay? Meaning you have a system or people that are working for you. All right. I need more answers, please. If you can type chat, just type it, okay? But if you can't, you are driving, that's understandable. Okay, so Dudley to say self-employed. All right, great. Okay, Lincoln to say investment. So he's an investor at the same time, employed, okay? Working. All right, great. Thanks for the feedback. I appreciate. So yes, according to the famous theory, that is the cash flow quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki, there are 4 ways one can earn income. Either you are an employee, you are self-employed, you are a business owner, or you are an investor. Okay, employee, all right. So let's look at the employee. You have a job and time equals money, meaning if you work 4 hours, you'll be paid 4 hours wages, right? There is no leverage over here. Let's look at the self-employed, those who are self-employed. You own a job, time equals money. There is no leverage over here too if you are self-employed, okay? Now let's look at the business owner. You own a system. People work for you. So the number of people you have and the work they are doing equals to the money you are having. So over here, you are leveraging on people, right? Now let's look at the investor. So money works for you, okay? If you have $100, that $100 turns into $10,000 for you. That is you earning passive income, okay? So when you look at the quadrants here, the active income and the passive income, okay? If you are self-employed, it's an active income. If you fall under the investor, it's a passive income you are earning. You are not doing anything. Your money is working for you. Like, for instance, those of you who already have the RoyalQ robot, you are not the one doing the work, right? It's your money that is working for you. If you have 100 USDT, we invest that 100 into a trade and you are making profit. It's your money that is working for you, okay? So now, if you notice that the quadrant in which you find yourself, it's not good, there is no leverage, you need to add to it, okay? Because it's good to earn passively, okay? So we all are RoyalQ. We all at RoyalQ are investors, exactly, because your monies are working for you. But don't forget, we have new people in the house that have not yet acquired the RoyalQ robot. So I don't know where they fall in the quadrants. That is why I asked you, which one are you? Okay, now it will be good for you to actually be a business owner at the same time an investor. Okay, so people who share the RoyalQ opportunity might actually fall into the business owner. Okay, because you have created a system that is giving you money, that is you are leveraging on people. Okay, so the number of downlines I have, or the number of team members I have in my team, that will actually we working together helps me generate some sort of income, right? I believe you all will agree to it. Okay, now how do you grow your wealth? How do you grow your wealth? Is it through bank, saving in the bank, or you have some gold or silver, or you have some mutual funds, or real estate? Now let's look at the chart over here, the graph on my screen here. You can see the bank, the gold, the mutual fund, the property, and crypto. Now, which one is the greatest, or which one is the highest? You can see it's crypto. Okay, so this tells you that growing your wealth through cryptocurrency is the best. Okay, now the new people that are here would be like, what is cryptocurrency? What is she even talking about? So what is cryptocurrency? What is cryptocurrency? I'm going to quickly switch to another screen where I would show you what cryptocurrencies are. Okay, what are cryptocurrencies? Okay. So it's just our AI. Now we are in the era of AI. So you make good use of it, okay? All right. So let me quickly stop sharing this screen and share another screen just to chip in what cryptocurrencies are. I hope you guys are following. Okay. So let me share my screen. All right. So this is ChatGPT. Okay, those who do not know it, you have to get it. It's really good. It's you can ask it any question. Okay, some people use Google. Google, you need to have the smartness to be able to know how to use Google search. Okay, because when you type what is this, it gives you numerous, and you have to scan through it and actually know what you are, get the best results. But with the ChatGPT, it's an AI. You just ask it direct question, it gives you direct answers. I love the way it answers. Okay, so cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments like the US dollar, the Ghana cedis, the euro, the pounds, the South African rands, Ugandan shillings, and so on and so forth. Now, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. This means they are not controlled by a central authority, such as a bank or government. In short, in a layman's word, cryptocurrencies are digital assets. They are, if we say something is digital, it means it's online, okay? It has to pass through a process for it to become a physical cash at your hand, okay? Now, some key features of cryptocurrencies. They are decentralized, meaning nobody controls it, okay? It mostly operates on blockchain networks, which are maintained by a distributed network of computers. Now, someone will be like, what is blockchain? Someone might not understand what blockchain is. Let me quickly explain what blockchain is before I actually continue with my explanation. Oh, sorry. My screen stopped sharing. Hold on. Let me reshare again. Oh, we are 30 in the house. You're all welcome. If you just joined, we just got started some few minutes ago. So you are not actually really late. Okay. So blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. A blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transactions that is duplicated and distributed across the entire network of computer systems on the blockchain. Full stop. Okay, that is what blockchain is. So one of the features of cryptocurrencies are security. Transactions are secured through cryptographic techniques, making them difficult to hack or alter. Transparency. Blockchain technology ensures that all transactions are recorded on a public ledger, making them traceable and tamper-proof. Okay? Anonymity. While transactions are recorded, the identities of users are often pseudonymous. Okay, pseudonymous. Now, limited supply. This is where the thing is, limited supply. Many cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have a fixed supply, preventing inflation. Who knows a fixed supply of BTC? You can write it in the chat. I know we have some gurus in the house. One of my downline, in fact, it's like the cryptocurrency. When they gave birth to him, they just opened his head and put everything in. When it comes to crypto, IT, oh my God, he's too much. And we are blessed to have him in our midst this evening. All right. Now let's look at some popular cryptocurrencies. We have BTC. When people mention cryptocurrency, they only know one, Bitcoin. They don't know any other currency aside BTC. Now, BTC is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency created by an anonymous person or group under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Okay. Then we have Ethereum, we have the Binance coin, we have Solana, Cardano, Ripple, and so on. In fact, there are many. If I want to mention the cryptocurrencies, we will not live here. Okay. Now, the use of cryptocurrencies, okay, is used for investment and trading. Many people buy cryptocurrencies as an investment, hoping their value will increase over time. Payment. Some business accept crypto as payment for goods and services. It's happening all over the world, maybe not in Africa, but in Dubai, people buy houses, cars, and pay with cryptocurrencies. In Germany here, we have some shops that actually accept cryptocurrency payments, okay? It is fast and swift. Using of cryptocurrency, in fact, you will love it. I can be here and send money home in Africa within, in fact, the way it's fast, I don't even know what I'll use to describe it. Fast and furious crash should even go. They are not fast. If within the shortest period of time, the person will receive it, even if it's a huge amount. Okay. Unlike our traditional banks that will take 7 working days, 3 working days, blah, blah, blah. This one, it goes so fast, very, very swift. Good thing is you don't actually spend a lot of money sending through cryptocurrency. You'll be shocked to send over 5,000 USDT and you are paying 1 USDT as transaction fees. Sometimes you can even pay 80 cents, sometimes 30, 50, depending on the network you are withdrawing through. Okay. Now, decentralized finance, that's the DeFi. Crypto enables financial services without traditional banks. NFTs and gaming, used in digital art, collectibles, and blockchain-based games. Okay. So yes, that is something brief about cryptocurrency. Now, you and I, are benefiting from the investment and trading. Okay, we the RoyalQ users actually use the RoyalQ bots to trade in cryptocurrency so as to make profits. Okay, all right, now let me stop sharing my screen and continue with my file. Okay, don't sleep. All right, let me share my screen again on the Zoom. If you have any questions, don't be shy to ask. You can private message it to me in the chat or just type it down. Okay, so that is cryptocurrency. I just defined to you. In 2008, a group of people anonymously known as Satoshi Nakamoto created the first and leading cryptocurrency in the market today, Bitcoin. In 2009, Bitcoin was launched to the world. Presently, there are more than 20,000 cryptocurrencies and increasing day by day as its popularity among its users is increasing due to its substantial growth in value over the years. Now, what to know about cryptocurrency? Okay, it's a global digital currency. If we say global, meaning worldwide, everywhere, okay? Crypto is a digital money that can be used globally with the same value worldwide, okay? Blockchain technology, it runs on blockchain and it's secured by cryptography that makes it hack-proof and fastest transaction mode, okay? Decentralized app, that is the DeFi, okay, decentralized finance. Cryptocurrency transactions are peer-to-peer and not controlled by any central authority or bank. Now, let's look at the growth of cryptocurrency. So you can see on my screen the best performing assets in the last decades, okay? We have Amazon, we have Tesla, we have Apple, we have Bitcoin, we have S&P 500, we have Google, we have Microsoft, we have gold. Guys, just look at the graph. Tell me which one has done a lot of returns within the last few decades, okay? Just look at it. BTC, 569.772%, even though it has not actually been in the industry for long, okay? All these other assets were actually there before BTC came, but look at how it's growing tremendously. Now, Bitcoin, along with many other cryptocurrencies, has shown the highest growth in the last 10 years. This makes crypto the best performing digital asset as compared to any other forms of investment. So the question is, are you interested? My new members in the house, we have some new people. Are you interested to be part of this industry? Are you guys interested? Oh, thanks for the answer there. 21 million. That is the limited supply of BTC. Okay. All right, let's go on. How to earn? How can one earn? Because someone will be like, you invited me to this thing. How can I earn? That's what I want to know. Don't go and say long journey. You tell me how to earn so that I can go my way. You earn through crypto. Okay, how to earn through crypto is investing. Okay, investing and holding. If we say holding, it's a crypto terminology. That simply means to hold. But crypto has given it a different language, pronounced holding. I can't even pronounce it, guys. So yeah, crypto investing is the act of buying and holding crypto assets to derive higher appreciation in the future. Okay, it simply means you buy a crypto asset at, maybe they are selling it one quantity for five USDT of, yeah, let's use the crypto terms, 5 USDT. Then within some few hours, some few minutes, some few months, some few years, now it's no more selling for 5, okay? It's being sold at, let me use BTC as an example for you, okay? Hold on, let me grab this photo. So some years back, BTC was around, oh shit, I don't have the photo here. It was around 2021 when BTC got to 69K. It started going down from 2022. It went as low as 15,000 thereabout, okay? Then it started rising. Currently, we see BTC hovering around 97,000, 96,000 thereabout, okay? What has happened? There's been an appreciation. When BTC was first launched, the price was not where it is now, okay? It was 0.001. It was less than a cent. But today, that same one quantity of BTC is being sold around 90 something thousand. So imagine, even if you don't have full BTC, you only have a pinch of it, 0.0001 or 0. You are still rich in it, okay? Another way to earn in cryptocurrency is mining. Now, what is mining? Mining is the process used to generate new coins and verify new transactions over decentralized networks or computers around the world that verify and secure blockchains. Another way to earn through cryptocurrency is staking. Okay, so staking is when you lock crypto assets for a set period of time to help support the operation of a blockchain. In return for staking your crypto, you earn more cryptocurrency. Okay, now let's look at the Ogborodenche, the popular one that a lot of people use. Okay, that is trading. Crypto trading inclines more towards the shorter or quicker route, okay? It seeks refuge in the volatility of the crypto market to make the best price fluctuations. One can pay close attention to the crypto market and invest in day trading for quicker trading profits. Some of the crypto gurus will call it scalping, okay? You're scalping the market. Okay, so you monitor it, enter at a price. Once the price goes up a bit, you sell to make profit. Okay, that is the trading. Now, do you want to learn how to trade, or do you want to gain more knowledge in trading, or you want to know? If yes, follow me. Now, what are the requirements? There are very essential requirements one has to take into consideration before you start this crypto journey. 1, knowledge. 2, time. 3, patience. Patience is the ogborodenche, okay? Knowledge. Now, you need to gain the knowledge. If you don't have the knowledge, be ready and willing to learn from other experienced people in the industry. Time. You must create time for it. You know, time is money. You have to create time for it, okay? Patience. With crypto, hey, you need a lot of patience. If you don't have patience, I'm sorry. It's better you leave now. I'll not sugarcoat it. It's better you leave now, okay? All right. Don't worry. We have the ultimate solution for you. For you. Okay. Now, the ultimate solution for people who are novice, those who do not actually know anything about cryptocurrency, you can still be learning whilst earning through the use of this our amazing miracle God-given, I don't even know what attributes to use to actually name this robot. It's called the Royal Q. Q. Q stands for a lot of things. But over here, this Q stands for quantitative. Quantitative. Now, this word quantitative, you can get so many words out of it. You can get quantity out of it. You can get quantify out of it. In fact, a lot. Now, what is RoyalQ? RoyalQ is a super intelligent automated crypto trading bot that uses artificial intelligence algorithms. So do you have some mathematicians in the house? Do you have mathematicians here? Some people did elective maths, quantitative. Hey, Charlie, I've forgotten some of the subjects. Let's continue. Okay. So it uses its artificial intelligence algorithms to trade for you in your crypto exchange. Okay. Just think of it as hiring a cryptocurrency trading expert to do your trading while you can sit back and watch the profit grow. Okay. It's just like paying a broker. A story I want to chip in. One of my colleagues at work, she was interested in RoyalQ. I got her on board. She's an elderly woman. And she was like, hey, me, this is your crypto thing. Can I do it? Me, I'm not intelligent. Oh, me, my school cry. I don't even know where my teacher died and blah, blah, blah. I was like, oh, you can do it. I'll just set it up for you. We leave the robot to do its work, okay? You just be watching your profit grow. She was like, okay. Then she came on board. Later, the husband also wanted to come on board. She was like, oh, when I see the profits my wife is making, it's not really encouraging for me. $5, $2, $3 a day. That's peanuts. That's like what chicken change. It's like that money is too small for me. I told him, oh, daddy, in crypto, the more money, the more profit. Your wife is not using a lot of capital. She's using only $150 as trading capital. That is why you are seeing this small profit. But trust me, if you want to see more profits, you have to increase your portfolio. So this man was like, oh, don't worry, I'll come. I said, okay, we are here. Can you believe this man looked at God, looked at the wife, looked at me? I was there. This man called me. Oh, Doris, I've gotten some people. They've been calling me. They are like, they are brokers, blah, blah, blah. I said, hey, daddy, run away. Run from your dear life. He said, are you sure? These people, I even spoke with their manager, their CEO, blah, blah, blah. I said, okay, daddy, in this world, they said experience is the best teacher. I think if you try it, and whatever happened to you happened, I think you learn from it. So let's forget about my advice and you do the doing. Let's go. Daddy went. Daddy actually invested money. He said the broker said they are trading for him. He will just be getting the profit. They just showed him some websites where he can be tracking things. Long and short of the story, daddy was scammed. Over 40,000 euros gone down the drain. All the profits they promised daddy, nothing. Daddy was just removing money from his bank onto his Binance, buying, depositing. One day the bank just called him. What is happening? We see you removing huge amounts of money from your account. Today, 5,000 euro, tomorrow, 10,000, another day, 3,000. Are you okay? Is everything okay? Before you should say, Jack, bank has closed daddy's account. Fetish. They've blocked his account. Now, no German bank is because it was a scam. The people were scamming him, guys. So the broker daddy got, end of the story is broker chopped daddy's money. The return they promised him. Yeah, carry. It's finished, it's gone. The capital he invested, he can't find it. That is all. He even had to pay because they say, oh, for you to take your profit, you have to pay us 40%. You have to pay so percent. Daddy still looked in front of God and still paid. I said, Daddy, that's why you said they didn't pay. You tell them to take the profit from it. He said, oh, they said they can't take it. It's my money. They can't touch my money. I said, okay. Daddy looked at God again. Pump another 4,400. Oh, into these people's account. Oh, it is gone. Daddy just met me. Daddy said, my dear, everything is gone, my dear. The people, they've put me down. I wish you people can speak to you. So I caught it in his voice. He said, they've put me down. I'm down. I said, Daddy, I told you so now. It's not even been a year. I told you, you didn't listen to me. You said this one, their profit is huge. Now you couldn't withdraw a dime. Okay, now Daddy wants to come to RoyalQ. So if you get the RoyalQ robot, guys, you are hiring it to work for you. This one is not any broker. Your trading capital is in your exchange. You can ask Lincoln. He's in the chat. He always sees his capital in his Binance. Whether it's depreciating, increasing, it's still there. He can stop his trade, take it at any time without anybody's approval, or you have to call CEO. Hello, CEO. Can I take my trading capital? Is it okay? I'm sorry, can I do this? Guys, this is RoyalQ I present to you. Why am I so excited about this opportunity? Why am I so, it's like I'm going crazy. I'm going super crazy. One, security. In fact, this is what drew me closer to this opportunity. Okay? Security. Your capital and your trading profit remains in your exchange wallet. Now, someone will ask, what is exchange wallet? Exchange and wallet. I know wallet, like my wallet that I put money in it or this, but what is exchange? So exchange is a platform where you buy cryptocurrencies, you sell cryptocurrencies, you convert from a cryptocurrency to fiat. Fiat is our native currencies, okay? You trade also on the exchanges, okay? So your capital that you use to start the business and your profit remains in your exchange. You are the only one who has control over it, meaning RoyalQ does not have permission to withdraw or transfer your funds. Full stop. Two, it is a super intelligent RoyalQ executes quantitative trading using artificial intelligence, real-time monitoring, and tracking of big data algorithms. Thus, continuous income is generated. Three, the robot works 24/7. 24/7, meaning 24 hours 7 days in a week, every day. RoyalQ trades for you 24 hours a day, 7 days in a week, without taking a leave, without going on holidays, without saying, oh, I'm going for summer break, I'm going for Easter break, I'm going for Christmas break. No, no, no. For RoyalQ robots, it knows no break. It doesn't get tired. Okay. Also, 24/7 real-time monitoring, so you can make money even while you are asleep on auto mode, okay? Whilst you are sleeping, snoring, doing your own thing in bed, everything, the robot is busy buying and selling. You just wake up to see the work it has done for you. 4, no loss, only profit. With RoyalQ, there is no risk of loss as the robot is programmed only to trade in profit and never sells in loss. Whether the market goes against you, goes beneath you, go under you, the robot will not sell at a loss. The robot will wait patiently, will be monitoring the market whilst waiting, is buying the dip for you. Once the market goes up a bit, goes up than the entry price it initially bought for you, it quickly sells for you. That is why we say over here, you do not lose. Okay, the robot does not sell at a loss. The robot will not say, hey, you are losing, let me sell and keep this money for you so you don't lose everything. No. No, 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 no. We trade on the spot market. Okay. So on the spot market, your quantity that you have bought is actually not affected if the market should go against you. Okay, okay, okay. 5, maximum ROI, return on investment. Return on your investment. It's not that one sum, the Yanum one that we know. It's not those type. This one, the return on how much you are investing in the market. Okay. Although profit depends on your trading capital and market conditions, still, you can expect 10 to 30% monthly profit, and in the long term, 100% to 500% annual return on investment. Okay? Is that clear? Can I move on? Are my audience there? Are you guys in the house or you are sleeping? Is everybody here? Are you understanding the English? Is the English too big? Do you get me? My new members, it is you I'm referring to. Is everything moving well? Is the English Englishing or the English is not Englishing? Okay, let us continue. 6, affiliate income. RoyalQ also comes with an exciting affiliate program, completely optional. Let me emphasize it again. Completely optional. It means if you like, do it. If you like, don't do it. If you don't do that one, you can still use the robot, okay? If you want to share its benefits with your friends, you earn wonderful commissions on their profit too. So, with these six features I've given you about the RoyalQ, this is what makes RoyalQ the best and different from the rest. Forget it. I've had so many robots, Matic bots, you trading, whatever, a lot. In fact, none of them, they are not closer. They are not. You see, when you use something and you know the thing, nobody can tell you any sh. I don't want to complete the rest. Okay, guys, how do you get started? How do you get started? To start making money with RoyalQ, you need to have these two applications on your smartphone, okay? Aside Binance, there are 8 different exchanges you can also use, okay? So you need the RoyalQ app, you need the Binance, okay? Let me show you the applications, okay? So yes. Oh, where's my screenshot? Hold on. So yeah, you need either Binance, HTX, Indodax, Kraken, Bybit, OKS, KuCoin, Mexi, Gate.io. So these are the 9 exchanges one can actually connect your RoyalQ robots with. So any of these exchanges you can actually use, but it all depends on the country in which you find yourself, okay? Let us continue, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So RoyalQ app. This is the app. This is how it looks like. Let's go to the App Store to look at it. Where is it? RoyalQ. Q stands for quantitative. Okay. So yeah, this is the wonderful application. This is how the logo looks like. Okay, guys. This is how the RoyalQ logo looks like. So let us continue. All right. Let's continue. So yeah, Binance. Let me talk about Binance. Binance was actually how do we say if the thing has come on my English cry is finished. We didn't get to anywhere, but the English is not English again. Binance was actually founded in 2017. Okay. But it has actually come to overtake. It's like overtaking, in the crypto industry, overtaking is allowed, okay? Now, this Binance exchange is actually known to be the world's largest crypto marketplace, okay? World's first ranked crypto exchange. For the past 4 years now, I've been using the RoyalQ robot. Guys. Look at it. Let us go to Coin Market Cap. This is it. Let's look at something briefly. Yeah. For so many years now, they always maintain their level. Nobody has overtaken them. You see these ones, they'll be exchanging places. But this one is standing there, gidigba. Is standing there like like some strong distance. Nobody is overtaking Binance, okay, guys? So RoyalQ make sure that they bring us nothing but the best to actually work with, okay? Binance daily volume, it's more than 76 billion. Leading crypto exchange in the world, highly secure facilities. I think if Mr. I assisted someone today, let me see whether he's in the meeting from Belgium. Oh, I think he left. Leader, he's called Ishaka or something like that. I've forgotten his name. Yeah, I think he left. He's not in the meeting. So I helped him today. He was like, hey, the security, security need the more hey, the security on this is not easy. So everywhere, if I go out, I need code. If I come in, hey, I say yes. This is to tell you that the platform is actually secured, okay? It has highly secure facilities, up to 5 levels of security keys. Okay, you can use Google Authenticator. The Binance Authenticator itself is there. We have the email, the phone, and the pass keys. Okay, so 5 different security keys. Only you can withdraw or transfer. When Angel left RoyalQ 2021, I helped her withdraw her capital from her Binance. You can ask her, she's in the meeting. I helped her withdraw her money like no man's business. Okay, you are the only one. RoyalQ cannot go. One of my team member in Spain got pregnant. She was like, oh, pregnancy, so I couldn't do the business again. To even touch my phone, I deleted all my apps. I needed that peace of mind. The pregnancy dealt with me, blah, blah, blah. I said, okay. She came back. My leader, I can't believe it that after 1 year, my money is still on my Binance. I thought as I stop RoyalQ, everything will just vanish. I said, vanish to where? Even her fuel fee, even though the robot had expired, she came to meet her fuel fee. Some of the boats I know in the market, Masa, if you have brought $1,000 as fuel fee, that $1,000 remain for life. If you won't do the business again, you say you are leaving, you cannot take your fuel fee. But with RoyalQ, if your fuel fee is there, they would never delete the app. They would never take, no, they'll wait for you 100 years, come and take it away, then they can close their app. Okay, so with the exchange, if you connect the RoyalQ robot with the exchange, you are the only one that can actually have access to it. Now, the RoyalQ robot is an AI trading platform, trading on Binance, HTX, all the exchanges I showed you. It has over 2 million users worldwide. Okay, what you are seeing on my screen is an as outdated file. That is why you see 1.5, but currently 2 million users in 200 countries, and we have made a profit of, who can tell me the profit? The users here, you've been attending my meetings, who can tell me the profit? It has made a profit of over, should I say it, should I mention it because of time? 180 million USDT. 180. Let's look at it over here. So this PDF was actually long, and by then it was 118. Now we are on 180 million USDT. This is the user profits. Okay, the profit we the users have made so far in total, guys. Okay, so this business is not those ordinary ones you know of. Okay, top 7 financial app on iOS Google Play Store. In fact, go and do your own due diligence. Sorry. Ask ChatGPT, ask Meta, ask Gemini. You ask them and come and tell me the answer. Okay. Top 5 financial app on iOS, Google Play, Android. First quantitative AI trading application. If you want to read more, that is the website. You can log in to the website and read more. Okay. Now, there is one feature of the RoyalQ robot called the API binding. What does it do? It helps you to connect your RoyalQ to your exchange. Okay. So the process in which you pass through is called API, Application Programming Interface. What does it do? It only read your balance and buy and sell. So if we've connected the two apps, whatever figure you have in your USDT asset on your spot wallet, it will show on your RoyalQ application. Now, if the robot picks a trade for you, you would actually see it, that it has bought, it has sold. That is the only 2 things it does. Okay, we picked XRP this evening, and Mr. Ishaka saw it on his how do you call it, on his Binance. Okay, so the robot, the API binding cannot withdraw or transfer your funds, so you are actually secured. Okay, now RoyalQ activation. There are 2 types of fees in RoyalQ, 2 major fees. Okay, annual subscription of 120 USDT. Okay, now some years back, 4 years ago, 1 USDT in Ghana cedis was 5 point something Ghana cedis. Today, it's on 15.7, 15.8. I don't know. Check it, guys. 120 USDT. This should tell you that, hey, inflation has set in like that. Okay. Imagine when I started, one USDT was 5 Ghana cedis. Today, this same one USDT is times 3 of that same amount we paid last how many years ago. Okay. I spent 550 Ghana cedis to do this business, to purchase my robot, to hire it. But today, if someone wants to start with that same amount, that person has to spend more than that. Okay, 15.7 times 120. 1,884. This should tell you that you need this robot than even everybody in this world, okay? Because when inflation sets in, forget it. Now, just take it as if you are paying $10 for the whole month for using the robot. 10 times 12 is how much? 120. Simple as that, okay? It's not easy to raise this money. Okay, so if you happen to get this money and join, don't joke with the opportunity. Okay, now out of the 120, RoyalQ distributes 80 back to its users who promotes the application. So you and I that are sharing on our WhatsApp status, on TikTok, on YouTube, on all the social medias, through our friends, funerals we attend, whatever, all the gatherings. If we share this opportunity, out of the 120 used for the activation, 80 comes back to us. Okay. Fuel fees. That is the second type of fee we pay in RoyalQ. Fuel fees. So fuel fee of 20% of profit. RoyalQ, they design the app. The application owner says, whatever profit you make, 20% comes to me. Now, this 20 all does not go to RoyalQ, okay? Of every trading profit RoyalQ makes for you, it deducts 20% as fuel fees. Note, it doesn't deduct from your capital. It deducts 20 from your profits, okay, from your as fuel fee. This fees is charged only when you make profit, not on your capital, okay? Only when you make a profit, but it doesn't deduct it from your capital. So if I traded with $100 and I made a profit of $5, my 100 is safe, but the 5, I have to pay 20% of the 5 as fuel fee. Now, mind you, I told you from the beginning that RoyalQ cannot come into your exchange to deduct that money. That is why you as a trader, you need to put at least 20 USDT as fuel fee on your RoyalQ bot even before you start trading. So anytime there is profits, there will be deductions, okay? Now, RoyalQ distributes 70% of the fuel fees back to its users who promotes the app. Okay, so this 20% is now converted into 100%. Then they distribute 70 and keep the 30. Okay, so that is it. This application is the most credible, intelligent, quantitative robot. It's available on Google Play Store, Apple Store, and on the Android Store. But you need to pass through the appropriate medium to be able to get the app so that you don't get the fake one. Now, let's look at the RoyalQ compensation plan. There are many ways to earn income from RoyalQ. There are 4 different ways. One, from the referrals. Sorry, for one, the major one is from your trading capital. Okay, that is your own trades you take. 2, from you sharing of the opportunity. That is the referral. And the referral, there are 2 major incomes to be earned over there: the activation bonus and the team trading profit. Okay. Now, the other way is being a copy trader. So a copy trader is someone who simply shares his unique trade settings to the community. Once the community joins and they are making profits, they pay strategy fees. So you, after you have paid full fee, you need to pay strategy fees for whoever's strategy you are copying from. Please, I hope that part is also clear. Okay. Now, the last way to earn is the mentorship. So 1, self-trading; 2, referrals; 3, being a copy trader; 4th, mentorship. Okay, so the mentorship is you guiding people in their trades. Once they are successful, whatever profits or reward their upline is supposed to get is being shared into two. The upline will get half, the mentor will also get half. Now, let me quickly switch my screen to show you some of the revenue details from the profits, okay, from the trading. So this is a trading profit of about 7,582, okay, US DT. Now, this profits, you can see they are different because of the market. The market moves in different waves, in different directions. Some days are good, some days are not good, some days are like here, like lukewarm levels, okay? But in crypto, you can make 1 year profit in 1 day or 1 month or in 1 second, okay? It's all possible. Now, let us go to the full, how do you call it? From the team building, okay? So I'm going to quickly stop this screen and show you something quickly for you to see. I'm sharing another screen now. Where is it? I hope you guys are following, you are enjoying something. Don't worry, this session is recorded. If you need to share it with a friend, you're like, I regret this person not joining today because Leader Doris has mentioned something great. Okay, so these are the copy traders, okay? So the copy traders I made mention to you, that is the third way one can earn from this opportunity. Now let us look at the reward details, okay? So these assets over here, these are the profits that are being made from the team. So if you decide to share this opportunity, you're actually rewarded beautifully, like no man's problem. You can withdraw at any time. I withdrew 16th of February. That was yesterday. Then I withdrew 50. I withdrew again when again 15, meaning 15, 16, 15th. I didn't even know. Then 13th, another one. 7th, another one. 6th, another one. 2nd, another one. 31st January, 24th January, 20th January, 18th January, 11th January, 7th January, first, hey, yeah, New Year. So you can withdraw anytime. Even holidays, you can withdraw. Okay, you withdraw like no man's business. And look, the beautiful thing is, no matter how much you withdraw, guys, you are being charged only 2 USDT. Let me show you some of the results. Oh, wait. Where is it? So this is what I want to show you. This was actually a profit of in 2021, okay, during the bull run season, okay. Imagine someone withdrew 42,002. See how much arrived, guys. 42,000, meaning 2 USDT was actually used for the transaction fees. And look, receive 42,000 in your Binance, like no man's business, okay? If I want to show you a lot of proofs, we will not leave here. Okay, guys, so you withdraw like you don't owe anybody because that is from your team rewards, okay? This is 75,000. This happened on the 1st of November, okay? So you can see 75,000 arrived, meaning the 2 on it was for transaction fees. Guys, you withdraw like no man's business. Okay, okay. You withdraw like no man's business. During the last bull run, it was crazy. Like I was screaming. I lost my voice because the profits that we were getting, it was too good to be true. Unless you are experiencing it before you believe it. We went gaga because all the traders in RoyalQ, we were all making profit. Once you enter into the coin, within the shortest period of time, the coin has closed because it was an upward movement. BTC was just skyrocketing. Guys, look at the days. This is from team building. Mind you, this is not from trading profits, okay? This is just from team building. If you decide to build your team My brother, my sister, you actually make money. Imagine someone making 15,000 USDT a day. It's a human. In fact, I know some of them. I happen to be friends with some of them. So, if you are friends with someone, you use that as an opportunity. Like the way Queen Rita knows me very well, my in and out, knows my family. So Queen Rita knows I cannot lie to her. For her, I can open up things for her. You get it? So, guys, I happen to know some of the VCs. So, I went back door. Hey, my leader, you are enjoying. Then you see the person will be opening up. I tell you, see this house I just got. I just got a real estate. I just got this much. I just got this car. Like, it was happening. It was mind blowing. We were going crazy. We were like, what is happening? Are we going mad? Is everything okay? 65,000 USDT. Guys, it's going to happen this year. Don't say, I don't know how to share. But you share things on TikTok. You open camera, put it on yourself, and you'll be dancing, waiting for viewers to come and like and come. And you will not share this one that will give you money. This one that will give you financial freedom. We have people who talk about cryptocurrencies online. We have people who do crypto trading full-time, manually. Get these people. Let them get this robot. In fact, they will always be blessing you for getting them this robot. There are some people, when they join this opportunity, someone will be like, why didn't you tell us about this? Hey, am I sharing my screen? Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I didn't know I'm not sharing my screen. And nobody could unmute. Scheiße. Oh. You know the thing, when the spirit takes you like that, you just be flying, you'll be floating in the air. Shit. Oh, you couldn't unmute. Sorry. Where's the pictures? Let me breathe. Let me breathe in. Do you guys have more time for me? Let me sip water. The thing wants to choke me. I've just gone back to 2021. Okay? So I know someone will be like, it's not what she's showing us. It's not true. It's not true now. Have you seen some before? How can someone make 65,000 a day? Is that juju or what? Hey, 65. If you can't read it, let me read it. So the comma is here. 65,000 plus some coins. 13,000. 12,000. 12,000. 13,000. Let's forget the coins. 14,000. 10,000. Guys, check the date. 1st of November. 31st of October, 30th of October, 29th, 28th. If it is consistent, someone will be like, why is she showing us 2021? Are we in 2021? Are we not in 2025? I'm trying to tell you what during the last bull run, what we saw, we were going gaga. Some people had to walk barefoot in town. Like the thing. I can't wait for this one. Oh, I pray I won't be at work. Oh, if I have I have to call in sick. That I'm sick. Oh, hey, and this one when it is coming here, it will not announce that I'm coming today or tomorrow, but we know it will happen mid of this year. That's the predictions. Okay, take it like that, guys. 4,000, 15,000, 19,000. 26,000. In fact, your whole family, you will take them out of poverty. You would take them out. 7,000, 7,744, 6,000. So tell me why you say, I don't know how to share, I'm a lady. I'm so pretty to share. I'm someone's wife. I'm someone's mother. Do you know how many children I have? 20 kids. Oh, no. I'm not in this. No. I don't have that time, man. No. I better do my 8 to 5. No. I better work hard. I believe in working hard. Me, I don't know how to, all this your thing. No. It's wasting of time. But you have time to go and shake your ass in front of TikTok, do live video, do your own things. And you don't have time to talk to people about crypto. You don't have mouth to call them. Come to Zoom meetings every Monday. Come and listen to our presentation. Do you want to make money passively? Do you want to do this? Guys, okay. Be there, you don't know how to do it. This is the withdrawal proof. So someone will be like, how is that possible? You know, you will not believe it until you are there. Me, at least, I haven't withdrawn 5 figures before, but at least I've withdrawn 4 figures. If we say 4 figures, this is 4 figures. 1,000, 4 figures. This is 5 figures. Okay? At least I've withdrawn in 4 figures before. So I know what I'm talking about. Okay? Guys, imagine someone withdrew 75,000 too. It was only 2 USDT that was charged. See the money arrive in his Binance. Because people will be, it's not true, like, this one is Photoshop. You know, AI has come, AI can do everything. These people, they are just sweet talking us. Oh yeah, please go your way, let me go my way. Whether you believe it or not, me, I'm making money. Whether you join or not, I've been making money since 2021. I'm just being nice to let you know that this is it. So instead of working hard, oh yeah, work smart. So because if you don't get a robot to do your work for you, soon they'll be firing you. This one, be case. It is technology. It's sucking everybody out of work. So me, my work cry, no, the health industry. The Germans have already started getting robots to replace nurses and the lab technicians. It is already happening. So if it happens, I already have a robot, which is working for me too. So I don't have a problem. Do you understand? Someone will be like, oh, I don't care. Even if it's AI, I'm going to also learn AI and I'll do AI jobs rather than being a nurse. Okay, oh, go and do it. Okay? Leave us to enjoy our RoyalQ. Okay. Enough of that. Where was I? In fact, the thing cry is confusing me. My whole brain's scattered all over. I don't even know where I am. But let's continue. Just take it like that, okay? Today I'm in the mood. Okay, so those are the avenues to earn. Oh no, I forgot. Let's go to another place because someone will be like, okay, that is someone's own. Where is her own? Oh yeah, show us your own. Let us see, because you claim you have been in the industry for long. Hey, blah 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 blah. Okay, the small I've made, I go fit show you guys. Okay, I only started with 100 USDT. I wasn't having trading capital as at the moment I joined. Why? Because I was scammed from some so-called opportunity. I pick up my pieces and I moved forward. I didn't say I'm lying there. I didn't say to hell with online business. I'm not doing online. I'm done with them. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, let us see how much my $100 I started with has done for me within this short period of time, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, my 100 USDT. If I started a business with 100 and in 4 years' time, I've made 44,000. That is just a part-time work, okay? That is money for me because I didn't really invest a lot in it. I just opened my mouth and shared the opportunity. My trading profit is not part of this. Guys, do you get it? It's not compulsory to share, it's optional. But the system has created this to give you extra income. Let us go to the mentorship for you to see. So let me break it down. The activation, we have activation gain, we have activate peer income, we have activate global dividends. That is for the last rank earners. We have direct quantification, we have team quantification, we have peer reward, we have global dividends. So one reward, see, more than 6 places to earn. So why the excuses, guys? Let's go to the mentorship. So I only have 85 students, okay? I don't really have enough. But see, 2,086 has been made. Cool one. As I'm guiding my traders or my students or my mentees in their trades, I'm helping them with the tips, with the tricks. Okay, you have to do this. You have to turn off this. You have to change the price. You have to do this, guys. I'm earning from the $8, $20, $5 a day. That is money. That is more than someone's salary in Africa. I know someone working at some big company in Ghana, and if I tell you how much he's earning, you'll be like, what the? You use that WTF. Like, what the? Okay, let's continue. So I'll start sharing here. Now, self-trading profit, that is your non-working income. Hey, I didn't share the screen again. Let me share it again. In fact, today my brains are scattered all over, guys. Someone need to hold me tight. So I need to hold me close and be like, calm down, Doris. Calm down. The bull run is not tomorrow. Just chill. Okay, calm down. Everything is okay. So yeah, self-trading profits, how RoyalQ multiplies your money in your account. This is a non-working income as you don't have to trade manually. RoyalQ trades for you 24/7 in your exchange automatically. Averagely, you make 10 to 30% per month. Annual returns 100 to 500 profit. This 100, it has already happened for some of my team members. Okay, there was this lady I told you about last week or last 2 weeks. She started with $50 as her trading capital. She's in Nigeria. It's not easy for one to raise 50 USDT, and in less than a year she has made more than the 50 she started with. Isn't that a business? That is business. Maybe her capital might be small, but look at the returns she has made. Within 6 months, she has made 110. So imagine if your capital was 500, 5,000, you would have made 6,000, 110 profit. So the capital you brought in, you can even take it out. Then depending on the profits alone, okay? Income depends on your capital and the market conditions, okay? Depending on how much you have, how much you are putting in the trade. Someone can have 10,000, but not all the 10,000 is in a trade. So the profit the person make is based on the assets holding, the asset the person is holding or trading, okay? To earn better returns, provide sufficient funds in your exchange and let the robot trade for you 1 to 2 years. Some people do this business 1 month, not then they give up. I'm like, seriously? You've been doing someone's business for how many years now? What have you been able to achieve? Not a lot to write home about. And this is an investment. You come and put $30 and you expect to make how much? And like, I'm selling my robot. I thought it was like this. I don't know what's all this. Okay, go over there. We are enjoying it. We'll keep enjoying. Not everybody is meant to be rich now. Some people have to serve the rich people. Okay, let's move on. Activation bonus. This is where the money is. So 30 to 70, depending on the rank that you are. Okay. Money comes instant. Last night, yesterday morning, I was sleeping, Sunday morning, okay? Then my downline from Dubai, he's not really my direct. Then he was like, oh, ma, good morning. I've just activated Summer. I was like, oh, wow, that's great. I checked 20. Cool one. I didn't do anything. I was just sleeping. I just earned 20 USDT. That is cool, okay? So you earn activation bonus when you use your referral link to invite people on board. Not only invite, once they activate, you earn. Then the team trading profits. RoyalQ also rewards you a share in the trading profits of your direct and indirect team members, 4% to 12%. This money also comes instant and is withdrawable. So this is the table of the levels, the number of people you need, the total members to get on a particular rank, okay? So this is where we all start from. Then you earn 30 when you use your link to activate someone, then 4% team reward ratio. Then V2, you need 3 V1s at least, then 20 team members. Then you earn 40 on this rank. Yesterday, 2 days ago, Queen Rita renewed her husband's account, her daughter's account. She made 40 each, guys. That is cool. Nobody will stop you from earning $80. Cool one for the pocket, okay? 6% team reward ratio. Now, the indirect bonuses are not mentioned here, okay? But if you need a breakdown, just see me privately. I'll give you those ones. So this is directly refer. These are the requirements, okay? The requirements, then what you earn directly, and the team bonuses as well. Potential income. This one, people get it confused, okay? Potential income. If you and your team members, everybody is working, this is a potential income. It's not like if you're on V2, at all costs, you should earn $10 to $50 every day. If it's you work, someone is on V2, they haven't brought a single soul the whole of the month, your team members, none. Do you expect to enter 10 to 15? No. Who will give it to you? There's no free lunch. You need to work for it, okay? So it's just an estimate of daily potential income of how much you can earn at each rank in RoyalQ. I wish you guys all the best. Global dividends. Hey, Leader Rebecca, she's good at explaining dividends because she has done business in dividends and she knows that calculation well. Imagine, RoyalQ keeps everything. They keep some share down. then share it among all the people on the last rank. So the pictures I showed you, the 11,000, 75,000, 20,000 a day, is the people on this rank, they earn like crazy, man. Okay, so this is it. Now, I wouldn't really go too much into details, but this is the projection of the power of duplication. You can start small. Just bring one person. Okay, sponsor one person. Let that one person you sponsor also sponsor one. In total, you have two for the whole month. Month two, bring two. The two people you brought, let them bring two each. How many? Four in total. March, bring four. Hey, if you follow this this projection, if you follow it diligently, in total, you get 4,096 team members. Hey, and the money, oh, we'll talk about it another day. Now, Warren Buffett says, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, oh my God, you're gonna work until you die. Welcome to RoyalQ. Thank you guys for being with me during the presentation. Now I'm taking in questions and I need tough ones. I need tough ones. The one that I have to crack my brain. I have to tell you, let me go and do research and come back, okay? That is what I need, baby. All right, so I'm going to start from the top. If you want to ask questions, just tap on reactions and tap on raise hand. Simple as that, okay? Don't go and raise your hands in your room. Oh, I cannot see you. Just tap on reactions, raise hand, then your hands will be up in the chat. Oh, Philip. Hi, Philip. Please unmute yourself and ask your question. Hello, Philip. Please, you can see on your screen unmute. Kindly tap on it so you can unmute, then we can hear you.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, Philip, I can hear you. Please, are you a prospect
sister,
or an activated member?
Oh, I'm in your team. I'm in Leader Doris' team. I registered last year December.
Oh, okay, last year December. Leader Doris, which Leader Doris? Doris Great or Doris Angel?
No. Naomi rather. Leader Naomi, the current V4 member.
Okay, Leader Naomi is not in my team, but ask your question. You're an activated member. I hope the question is related to prospects, not
Please, yes.
about.
Please, yes. Philip,
okay.
Philip, ya ke to vota ika no hiya badum na we nya ya.
Lenye fe chat ma. Okay. We are mito yevuga because of Amedrota.
I'm very proud of you. You are a born teacher. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you so much. Okay,
so shoot. I love your delivery so much.
Thank you so much, my dear. All right, please ask your
my 1,000 sat coin have been in the floating loss for more than
Mr.
a month
Philip,
now.
I ask you, is it about prospects or about trading? You said it's about prospects. You gave me nice accolades. Now you are going opposite. Mr. Philip, attend my Wednesday meeting. Okay. Wednesday meeting are for activated members. Exactly. Today is for team training. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. Philip. So I'm going to lower your hand down. Okay. And mute you on top. Okay, let's go. So yes, who else has asked me? I need tough questions today, guys. Give me that question that I'll say, hey, babe, today the question they asked me, I have to go and learn more. I have to learn. Okay. All right. Thank you, Leader Valentine, Leader Valucci, for all the knowledge you have also given us here. Hello, Madam Doris. Send me the slide you use after the presentation. Nana, please, may I know which Nana you are, since I do not know you, guy? All right, staking is like loan. Okay, so these ones are for you guys to read, okay? Exchange is a virtual bank where we keep cryptocurrency. Great, Joshua, for this contribution. We keep fiat currency in physical bank. Cryptocurrency is virtual currency, so we keep it in a virtual bank. Thanks for this contribution. Okay, RoyalQ. Oh, Charlie, we have a lot of teachers here. Oh, that's good. Okay, the English is English, and thanks, Victor. Okay, Chai, why? Hey, why, please? You have to be English, you know. Okay. All right. So Royal Q Securities, phone OTP, Google Authenticator, email OTP part. Oh, thank you, Leader Valucci. Royal Q2 has its own authentications as well. Okay. Nobody. If I share my credentials with Crenreta, Leader Doris Great, Leader Valucci, in fact, they cannot withdraw anything, no, unless they know my email. Even my email, if I give them the credentials, they will still not be able to withdraw money from my account. Why? Unless they get my Google Authenticator. Do you get it? So there is a lot of securities here, to the extent that sometimes some users are angry. They're like, all these things, and one money will take your security. I say, hey, your house, do you just leave the door open, then you go out like that? Then by the time you come, everything is gone. Eh? No, security, you have to lock it. Whoever comes in must have a key. Okay, so that is it. All right. Thanks, Sister Doris. Okay, that's Ishaka. He came back. All right, great. Madam Doris, please send me. Okay. So, Nana, I have to, I don't know who your upline is, Nana. You can ask for my contact from your upline, but let me still take a picture of it quickly because I don't want to take a lot of time, When we spend too much time, some people get bored. Oh, I don't like this meeting. It's too long. 2 hours, 3 hours. What the sorry, my language. Okay, so okay, so I can't see people. I have many over here. Sorry. Oh my God, please, can you send me those pictures for me to be posted? How much will you pay, Joshua? 2 in a month club, it is called. Wow, Leader Valucci. Great. 2 raised to the power 12. Eish. He must not come with the call my sneaking that in him. Respectfully, can I have a copy of the slides, please? It seems everybody needs the slides, Uncle T. I'm expecting questions from the new members. And no new member is asking me any question. 12 is for 12 months. Yeah. Hello, Madam Doris. Please send. Hey, Nana, you've asked this question like 1 million times. Blanks and crypto ambassadors. Okay. Thank you for your time, explanation, and training delivery. God bless you. Why didn't you do teaching? Okay. I love talking a lot. I like to guide people, but teaching is not my turn. Like, I think I'm in love with RoyalQ, so I know how to flow with it. Okay. But I think I see some qualities in me too, but I don't want to become a teacher. No. Okay, I need to go, my lead. Okay, great. Please explain what tokens are in crypto. Yeah. So David, tokens, what are tokens? So we have the USDT tokens. Now let's go to ChatGPT. It gives you an easy explanation of what tokens are, okay? Don't be scared to ask questions, okay? So what are tokens? David from which country? Tokens are type of digital asset that exist on a blockchain and can represent various forms of value or utility. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which have their own blockchains, but tokens are actually built on an existing blockchain. Okay, usually the Ethereum ERC20 tokens or smart contract platforms like the BNB, okay, the BP20 tokens, Solana, Polygon. We have utility tokens, we have security tokens, we have governance tokens, we have the Uniswap, we have the stable coins as well. They're also tokens, okay, like the USDT, the USDC coin. They are all tokens. Then we have the non-fungible tokens, that is the NFTs, okay. That one is unique digital assets that represents ownership of digital art, music, virtual real estate, or collectibles. Like, for instance, we all know Sarkodie. Oh, no, let me use my favorite artist. We all know Shatta. We all know Shatta Wale, right? So Shatta Wale has done a lot of music that we know of. So he can actually take his music and launch it on the as a token, okay? So he's a rightful owner of it, okay? And it kind of represents ownership, okay? So yeah, example, the Bored Ape Yacht Club. Yeah, most people know that ape is the token. Okay. So how tokens differ from coins? Coins like BTC, Ethereum have their own blockchains. Okay. A coin is uh built on its own blockchains, whilst tokens are built on top of existing blockchains and rely on smart contracts for functionality. Yeah, TRC20 is a token. Yeah, Dudley, thanks so much. So yeah, that is it, David. I hope I answered you, and I hope you'll be joining. You activate your boat because this explanation I've given is 2 million. Uncle T, you have delivered very well. That is why they are not asking questions. I'm sure he's from Ghana, Accra. Hey, Uncle T. Okay, thank you. So, my participants, my teachers are like, oh, I've done a great presentation. That is why all of you are not asking any questions. Okay, I see Joshua from Ghana. Joshua, you're already an activated member. So, if it's a question concerning activation, blah, 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 no, please ask concerning all for prospects. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so madam, thanks so much. Thanks for your time and thanks for everything. So please, I need the slides. That's the more reason why I raise up my hand, and I
Don't
need
worry, I'll send you everything. Okay,
and
I'll send it to
recording,
you since you're in
recording,
my team.
recording
Yes, I'll
also.
upload it on my YouTube channel. So if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, I'm pasting it over here. Try and subscribe because I
Okay,
usually do
please
some
give
short
me
videos.
your YouTube link, so that I go there and subscribe and watch the videos and download it.
Okay, I'm doing that. I'll share it in the chat. Okay. So
Okay,
guys, with
and
this business,
please, can you
yeah,
also I will chat you privately. I will chat you privately. Don't worry, I will chat you privately.
okay.
Okay.
All right, great. Thank you. Okay. So, guys, with this business, I would like to end with sharing my testimony. We've closed officially, but if you feel like leaving, please feel free. It's not rude, but I always like to share my testimony just for it to motivate someone who is actually tired of online business or they don't really uh, have a lot. Okay. So, when I joined RoyalQ, I was actually scammed, but I'm like, in this life, when you fall, you pick up your pieces and you move forward. That is what life is about. Okay. You don't sleep over there and lament and complain. Complaining will not pay the bills. Complaining will not solve the problem. So I pick up my pieces, but I'm like, Doris, if you are going to do an online business again, it should be a business that you can have control over your money. When I said that, and another point, I was second guessing it that, do we even have a business like that? But I just said it, okay. Then I came by leader Julius Kabanda. I don't know him from anywhere. He's in Uganda. We haven't met physically. We've just seen each other on video calls and so on, but we haven't actually met in person. But the bond we share is very strong. So when he told me about the opportunity, what got my attention or what captivated me was when he said, you don't give your trading capital to the robots that will be working for you. That was all. I didn't even ask how much will I be making daily if I'm trading with so and so capital. The part I wanted was what I got. So I was like, I think I want to do this business. So instead of me using 240 USDT by then, because the scammed opportunity, my 4,000 something USDT became 240. So I told him, if I don't spend some of this money, if I don't go and use it to buy some chibom and some this thing, it will be like I just work in vain. So you let me just use 100 for the robots and let me take the rest. He said, feel free. So I actually activated. When I activated, I asked him, as I'm going to gather my trading capital, is there any way or other means I can earn money with this app whilst not trading? He said, of course. I just did that with you. I'm like, come again? He said, I gave you my link, right? You activated with my link. I said, yes. As you activated, see, I made $30. I said, just like that. They gave you $30 free. He said, yes. So if I also use my link, I'll get 30. He said, of course. I said, oh, wait, hold on. I said, wait for me on the Zoom. I went to bring 3 people. My husband was part and 2 other business partners. Those two people, they are not in the business again. But we move. My husband is still with me in the business. So I told them, listen to this presentation. We didn't even complete the presentation. They said, where is the link? The Algeria said, oh yeah, sharp, 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 share your link. I gave the link to them. They activated. That same night, I made 90 USDT. So my 100 USDT that I used in the business, I got it back. I said, hey, just like that. This is too good to be true. That night I slept with a lot of excitement. I said, so something like this is there. We were suffering in that stupid business that we can't withdraw our own money. You go and share the opportunity. You talk to people. You do Zoom meeting. You go to people's house. All these things. And they took our money away. So I took I did RoyalQ. I'm still doing it as if my life depends on it. Even before I should give birth to my third child, I even did activation before I went to deliver. Guys, I do this business with a lot of passion. It's even the country that is preventing me to come out all. Why? Because over here, you don't pay taxes on online businesses, especially like crypto. So I cannot actually declare it as my job. I would have done this full time, because the money I make in a month just from the networking, the trading is not part of that one. There is Jara. From this, it's a lot. Do you understand? So I just started, like, I shared the opportunity as if my life depended on it. I shared it. See, every day. There is no day I don't check up on people. Hey, have you heard this crypto thing? Are you not interested? Since I started this business, 19th of June 2021 till now, if someone has been following my status back to back, see, some people joined RoyalQ because of my status. She said, hey, every day you post this. If it's not good, you wouldn't be posting it. I asked myself, this thing is really working for you. I said, can't you see the money on me? Or how do you want to see it again? You understand? So, guys, we have suffered from scammers. We have lost a lot of money. Over here, the only two things we experience is floating loss and the listing of a coin. Now, one thing I've learned is if you are trading, it's good to pick coins that are built on its own blockchain. See, if you're a trader, there is no way you can dodge floating loss. It is part of the business. You just have to know how to manage it. That is all. And the RoyalQ robot has designed it in such a way that even in floating loss, you can be making profit. At least it's better than your money being at the bank at the end of every month. They are deducting a lot of money. You are paying end guilt, whatever, whatever. They say because you are saving your money there, you pay, or because money is passing through, you have to pay every month. You understand? So, guys, if you are not interested of sharing, you might not know. You might be delivering your neighbor from financial bondage. You might be putting the food on someone's table. There are people out there hungry. We have a lot of people worldwide looking for opportunities like this. These opportunities have changed lives. My upline is one life I can boast about. When he started this opportunity, despite his education, despite his qualification, this guy suffered. He even had 85. Me, I got 100 though. He is Robert money. The money didn't rate. He had to travel to go and meet his upline to top up 15. I said, if you hear his story, and you cry. Just this afternoon, I was telling one of my team members that there is this man in Nigeria. He sells jollof rice on his head in the market. When someone shared this opportunity to him, can you believe today he's not selling jollof rice again? His life has started beginning to change. Do you understand? So, guys, look at it like you are just doing someone a favor. You don't need the money because you have a lot. You have a work that is paying you 10,000 euros a month. You are okay. But ask yourself, the people that are around you, or you might be a blessing to someone. Okay. So, guys, thank you all for joining this session. I really appreciate, and I love you all. The the activated members, we have another training on Wednesday. Okay, the same time, 8 p.m. We go in total. your back office. We will enter, check all the problems, solve it for you. Okay, so try and don't miss that session as well. Now, the new members who joined, see, don't say 120 is enough. I've shared 2 different scenarios for you. It's not easy to raise this money in Africa. I know it is a lot of money. It's someone's 1 year salary. It's someone's 6 months or 1 month salary. So if you try your best and get on board, please don't take the business anyhow. If you do it anyhow or take it anyhow, it will also give you anyhow results. Okay. So guys, thank you all. I love you all. We meet again next week, Monday, for prospects business presentation. Then Wednesday, this coming Wednesday, back office training. Saturday, I do the international Zoom whereby everybody from every team can actually join. So God bless you all.